Mango's new bird feeder. Diggy diggy bow. Diggy bow.
Pilot time, and the birds were wait a second.
Diggy bow. Dow.
Time for some black seeds and orange crunch seeds.
Diggy dow. Diggy
There
dow.
you go, all that pile. You have some more. And some gnome seeds too.
Diggy diggy dow.
Alright. Tweet. Time to hang you up
Diggy diggy.
and
Bow
hold
at
you.
diggy dappy. Diggy dow. Diggy bow. Diggy dar. Are you sure she knows how to eat? Yeah, she knows how to eat, but she doesn't know if it's a good thing to eat or not. Oh. Oh, I'm hungry. Well, maybe there's something to eat in here. Dookie. Dar. Whoa. Do go, betty, do, do. Star, go, but do. Yeah. Achoo, do, play. Ah, very play.
You can't eat metal.
Right.
There, and have some birdseed, Olivia.
Rawr. Look at that.
A bird feeder.
Guys, I just found something. Really? Yes. Let me guess. You found your new bird feeder that I was talking about. Yes. Okay. But we have to follow you there because the bird feeder is more far than we expected.
Alright,
Let's go to the bird feeder and see if I can try to reach the bird seed.
here's how you can follow it.
Anyway, thank you for the surprise. I love it. You're welcome. We think you're hungry, so we made this bird feeder for you.
With me and my dad's help.
Yeah, that was all in Miratory. Okay. You guys stay here while I eat. Enjoy your sightseeing on the ground, you know. Do goodbye, dar. Say goodbye, dar. Diddle dee. Ooh, hi there.
Hello.
Dar,
Ooh, black
dar, dar.
beads.
Oh yes, big time. I would like to dig in. Okay, that was a mistake. I'll try again. Darn.
Olivia's happily eating, and you're not.
I can't eat. How am I supposed to reach the bird seeds without me eating them?
Oh well, I guess I'll play with this frisbee I found.
Maybe that frisbee will help me get some bird seeds that I could eat.
Here you go.
I meant to say with eating, not without eating. Silly Mango. I'm always so silly. I'm like a goofball, okay? Come on, Frisbee, get me one. Whoa! Well, that was a good throw. But it didn't help me reach for bird seeds.
Let's see here. Is this your diet of birdseed?
No.
Neither.
This is my diet. Dark.
Right. They're still on the ground, but you can't eat it.
Yeah, it's gross.
And there's some right here, but you can't grab it.
Yeah, I know. Which means I have to find another way to reach for bird seeds. Maybe this arrow will help me. Let me take that. Thank you so much. Maybe it will fit on the other side. It fits, but it's letting them fall.
But there's some that stays.
Come on, give me some bird seeds.
Nope. Wait a
Bad
second.
arrow, bad. You're making them fall. There's
birdseed right there.
Ooh. But how am I supposed to eat all of them when I need to eat?
Maybe we should use the arrow to bring it closer. See, look.
Great idea. The air's the perfect suggestion. Wait, I can actually eat them.
Yep.
Hooray for me! Way to go, Mango, you did it!
And now Olivia can eat the flaxseeds.
Meet me at the picnic table when my tummy is full.
There. Now we're all eating.
Mom! Sweetheart, I was looking for you. What are you doing? I'm eating in my new bird feeder that Apple and Dally made. With Sophia's and her dad's help. Why, thank you, Mom. It's like to have a great appetite. You're welcome, Mom. And I finished my appetite, and now, since I had a lot of energy, I can go explore now. Yay! Guess what, guys? What? We can explore! Yay! Ooh, a tree. Hello, tree. It's nice to meet you.
I don't think trees are good.
Yeah. Oh, how about this? It's a rock. Yeah, I know.
Just make sure you don't touch that. That's bird poop.
Ugh. I must have pooped on there yesterday.
Mango!
What? I like to poop when I need to go to the bathroom.
Next time, go over to the fence.
Right.
And you pooped on those rocks too.
Yeah. I wasn't looking where I was pooping.
Mango!
What? I didn't even know that is the fence. Okay, let's explore something else. Ooh, what's this thing?
That is when all the bugs go inside and then they get killed.
Ooh, wow, that is so sad, but very good because mosquitoes are dead too. Since are they bugs or insects?
Both.
Oh, yeah, I can't really tell.
Well, Twinkle wouldn't like that because she's trash.
Yeah, I know. She loves eating bugs and insects. So maybe she can eat a mosquito? Yeah. to help someone from drinking their blood.
D.
Wow. She's not a picky eater, isn't she?
G.
No. Ugh. Ugh. After all that eating and all that exploring, I would like to take a little bit of a rest. Would you guys like to rest with me? Yeah. Do gar be do dar. Do gar do dar do dar. Come on, let's go to our bed. Do gar be dar 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 dar. It was nice for Mango tea. Yeah. Now she knows how to eat. Next time she goes to a bird feeder. Let the wind get close. Good night, Dolly. Good night, Apple. Sweet dreams, bird. Oh, yeah. Sweet dreams, Olivia. Did you just wake me up to say good night? Oh. Tweet, tweet, do go dar.